Hi, grade 12s. I wanted to make a quick video just to kind of show you how Google Jamboard is going to work. We are going to be using this a fair bit, hopefully in our synchronous lessons on Google Meet. So I've posted an assignment on Google Classroom for you to go in and just very, very quickly test out 3 different ways of marking on our shared whiteboard space here using the Google Jamboard. This can be done either in an app or on a computer or a Chromebook in a browser. So if you prefer using a mobile device or you have a tablet or a phone that you want to use, I would very much recommend downloading the Jamboard app and opening the link that's posted on Google Classroom there. If you use a computer, that's going to work just fine as well. Now, we have a pretty simple question here. We're going to solve 3x plus 4 equals 19, and I'm going to solve it 3 different ways. So first of all, I'm going to solve it with a pen. So I'm just going to kind of pick a color, and I have a stylus, but I have done this on my phone with just my finger, and it is a little bit messy, but it's doable if you zoom in particular. So I'm going to kind of zoom in here. And you know what, I maybe won't use my stylus just to kind of show you that we're not going to worry too much about how things look. So I'm going to zoom right in, and I'm just going to write out that the next step in this equation would be 3x equals 19 minus 4. So 3x equals 15, and divide it by 3, x equals 5. So that's how I would solve it using the stylus. I'm really just kind of interested in, can you guys figure out how to, whoops, made some marks. Sometimes I touch things on here, and I'm sure you guys will experience the same thing. I'm going to switch back to using the select tool so that I can move around here a little bit. The next way I'm going to do is solving with a text box. So, oh shoot, actually on the mobile I don't have a text box, but I will take a look at how to do that in another video. Here I'm going to click and do a sticky note. So if I was solving this with a sticky note, I would just type in my solution here. So 3x plus 4 equals 19. I would type in 3x equals 19 minus 4 and push enter. 3x equals 15, and then x equals 5. So it's not ideal probably to use the sticky notes, but you can just kind of drag them around here and park those sticky notes in order to show your solution. If you are in a browser, the text box only does work with a browser. So if you're working on a tablet or online, that's fine. You'll likely have more luck using the pen if you're working with a tablet, and the text box will only work on the browser, not on the mobile app. So maybe just do one or the other of these. So if you're in mobile app, you're going to do the pen, and if you're in on a browser, you'll do text box. But everybody should learn how to do sticky notes, because we will be using that to add comments or help kind of comment and work together with other people in our class. So the sticky notes come from the plus, and then just choosing that sticky note image there. So using the plus, you can also insert images from your camera. We're going to be able to use that if you wanted to, for instance, take a picture of an assignment or a question that you were having trouble with. You can insert that, and then I would be able to ink on the slides to make corrections or make notes. So kind of take a few minutes, play around with this. When you've watched this video, what I want you to do is you're going to use this top button up here. I've made a separate slide for each person in the class. So as you go through, it's in alphabetical order for our whole cohort. If you have been added to this class more recently, you may not have a slide for you, but you can go kind of towards the end here. And I have slides that say add name. So here you're going to click on at the sticky note that's posted there, and you can just add another sticky note and put your name on that and pop it over there. So you're just going to change that one tab, and then you'll complete it on this. Once you've done that, please submit the assignment that's posted on Google Classroom. So you're just going to go onto Classroom and click submit. And I'm just going to double check in that everybody was able to do either working with the pen or a text box, depending mobile or in a browser, and that everybody should be able to post a sticky note on Jamboard. So that's your assignment for today. Thanks, guys.